पहलगाम में दहशतगर्द कैसे आए?
That's Congress MP Gaurav Gogoi.
मैं हूँ इंट्रोवर्ट.
You might have seen him in Lok Sabha questioning the Modi government's handling of national security and making headlines for his sharp interventions.
अगर जिम्मेवारी किसको लेनी पड़ेगी तो आदरणीय गृह मंत्री आपको लेनी पड़ेगी.
But for someone now serving as deputy leader of the opposition, Gogoi's entry into politics wasn't always a given, or so he says.
तुझे पता है कि मेरा बाप कौन है?
But did you use it?
Hardly. Only
But you did.
Only
So-
once when I got stopped by a traffic policeman.
The son of Assam's longest serving chief minister, Tarun Gogoi, he grew up in Delhi, studied engineering, worked briefly at Airtel, and later moved to New York for public administration with a side interest in dance and choreography.
I think now I might do a bihu better than Bhangra, but back in college I was definitely doing the Bhangra more.
Politics, he said, wasn't the plan until a calling for public service led him to join the Congress in 2012. By 2014, he had secured a ticket from Kaliabor, a family stronghold. The quick rise was seen by many as dynastic privilege in action. Nepo Kid is a label he hasn't quite shaken off. He's also one of the few Congress MPs to get under Amit Shah's skin.
हम बताएं कि प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी ने आपके दफ्तर के अंदर क्या-क्या बातें की हैं?
एक गंभीर आरोप है माननीय अध्यक्ष जी.
Controversies haven't been far behind. In 2024, BJP leaders accused Gogoi's British wife Elizabeth Colburn of having ISI links, a claim based on her past climate work in Islamabad. The couple met in the US and married in 2013. Gogoi called this.
Propaganda, smear campaigns, mudslinging, defamation.
For now, he remains one of Congress's most visible voices in and outside Parliament.
They've used terms like Jersey cow. They've used terms like 50 crore girlfriend. They use terms with colluding with Chinese Communist Party. So this is the nature of Indian politics.